what you gotta do, just tell me why you pull me over.
Listen, so you can hit people?
That makes that card. What is his problem with me? Why does he have to touch me?
It's on 15 court now. Final is on 15 court. Florida tag Papa Charlie Bravo November 6-2 PCB N62. Great Infinity.
Oh, 155194, 300 Northeast 15th Court. From the city show.
Hey, what are you doing? Stay in the vehicle. You're being pulled over. It's a traffic stop.
You saying for what? I'm giving your answer. License, registration, insurance?
What you pull me over for?
License, provide me your license. Provide me your license and I'll tell you exactly why. Provide me your license, I'll tell you exactly why.
You have to tell me why you pull me over.
Provide me your license, I'll tell you exactly why.
What you pull me over for?
Provide me your driver's license
Tell
and
me
I'll
why
tell you
you pull
exactly
me over and
why.
I'll give you my license.
Provide me your driver's license. You're not doing that?
No.
You're not doing that?
You heard what I said. I'm not doing that.
Ma'am, I'm gonna ask you one more time. Okay?
Tell me why you pull me over.
Identify yourself.
My name is Whitney Pandal. Tell me why
Do you
you
have
pull
a
me
driver's
over.
license, ma'am?
Tell me why you pull me over.
License, please.
Please tell me why you pull me over.
License, please.
Tell me why you pull me over.
License, ma'am. I'm gonna have to do.
That's
Listen,
Do what you gotta do.
hold on.
Just tell me why you
That's
pull me
fine.
over.
Listen, okay.
That's fine. She's home.
Do you?
Like,
what's
I'm
the
asking you one more
problem?
Do you,
time.
big boy?
Ma'am, do you have your
What's the
driver's
problem?
license?
Do you,
Do
big
you have
boy?
your driver's license?
Do you, big boy?
She's
Okay.
home. She has a driver's license.
Do you, big boy? Why you arresting me?
Because you're not identifying yourself.
My name's Whitney Pandal. Let me go.
Don't pull away from
You
me,
don't
okay?
have to touch her like
Ma'am,
that, sir.
back away.
Why do I have to back
Back
up?
away.
Why?
Because you directed my
Why?
attention, ma'am. Back away.
Why? I'm not
Back away.
touching
Don't fight
you.
real
I'm not
crime.
touching you,
You
and look
have
how you're
nothing-
touching
you have
her.
nothing serious to do. Let me go,
Yo,
bro.
relax,
Chill.
relax,
Let me go.
relax,
Let me
relax,
go.
relax,
Chill, chill,
Let me
chill,
go.
chill.
relax.
Look what you're doing,
Ma'am,
sir.
relax.
Look what you're
Stop.
doing.
Stop.
That's what you get paid for.
Let me go.
Ma'am, I'm
That's what
telling
you
you,
get paid
stop.
for,
And I
sir.
said, let me go.
Ma'am,
That's what you get
stop.
paid for, sir. What did she do?
Stop.
When you get pulled, the police tells you what you did. So what do you do? What do you do? What do you do?
Ooh.
What did she do?
Ooh.
What did she do?
You feel like you got power?
What did she
Like
do?
that stroke your ego.
Excuse me, sir. What did she do?
You want to send me more units, please?
What did
That
she
stroke your ego.
do? What did she do?
That
What did
stroke
she do,
your ego.
sir?
Unit 51.
That make you feel good,
15th
Jiggins?
Court.
Cause she's home. What did she do, sir?
That make you feel good.
What did you do? What did she do, sir?
Fight real crime.
For her to get
Do
pulled.
something serious.
What did she do, sir?
She exited before he reached her window. That single move turned a 30-second traffic stop into something else entirely. Florida law is clear: a driver must remain in the vehicle during a stop. She handed the officer probable cause before he said a word.
Oh my God!
Hey!
Don't you?
You're under arrest too.
You under arrest for what? You just hit me.
You're under arrest too.
You just hit
Let
me.
her
You're under arrest too.
Hey!
Hey!
Why are you hitting me?
Hey! Hey!
Why are you hitting
You're
me?
under arrest too.
For what? What am I under arrest
Obstruction.
for?
Obstruction.
Are you serious? He just arrested me for nothing.
He just hit her and dragged her and put her to the floor.
Let go of me, sir. Because I have nothing to do, and you broke my nail.
Relax.
What's the matter? He's not answering nobody, and he just hit me.
Relax.
So you can hit people? You can hit people, sir?
You like you in uniform because I would spit right now.
You can hit people, sir?
Do what you must.
You can hit
Do what you
people,
must.
sir?
What's wrong with you?
You can hit people? As a police officer for no reason, because I wasn't even here. You can hit people?
Let me go. Now tell me why you pulled me over.
Sir, he literally hit me, and I know you
Come on,
don't do
man.
that.
Let's go.
And I wasn't even the person he pulled
Hey,
over, so he
10-15,
hit me.
two.
Why did you pull me
He hit
over?
me.
Let's go.
Why did you pull me over?
Let's go.
I'm going nowhere, man. So you still ain't telling me why you pulled me over. Let me go.
Let's go. Stop resisting.
What the f is your problem? You still can't tell me why you pulled me over. What? I make your dick hard or something? Let me go.
Hey,
He
can I
can't
bring
tell
your
me why
car?
he pulled me over.
Alright.
He can't tell me. You didn't even read me my Miranda rights. Dummy. All y'all getting rid of. Boynton Beach. Don't touch me. I want a woman to touch me. Don't touch me. Goofy.
Listen, if I ask for your information, you provide me your information.
Okay, you didn't tell me why you pulled me over. If I asked you why you pulled me over, you tell me why you pulled me over. Did you read me my Miranda rights before you put? Yes, you. That's the law. with you? It's okay though. I'll be at Boynton PD tomorrow.
The license exchange in a Florida traffic stop is not a negotiation. The reason comes after the document, not before. Her friend came out with a phone to record. That is a legal right. But the officer gave a lawful command to step back and she refused it. Refusing a lawful order to clear a traffic stop perimeter is obstruction. The friend turned a witness moment into an arrest moment. 2 people in custody. Neither of them had to be. The stop sign was a $20 ticket. This is what happens when a $20 ticket gets escalated.
Chickens.
It's Jennings.
Don't give a f what it is. I don't want to respect you. You ain't nobody to respect.
You ain't got to.
Okay, so why you talking to me?
You talking to me.
All right, cool. Why you pull me? Why you pull me over?
For a traffic violation.
What is it?
Stop sign.
Stop sign? Where's the stop sign? What stop sign did I miss?
Back there.
So why you didn't pull me back there?
Because I was catching up to you.
Okay.
Oh, 319.
Back up for a traffic stop.
Yeah.
That makes that card. That's what it does. Let me go, bro. Yeah,
What are you?
I got old enough.
What the hell was that?
I'm 22. Get these cuffs off of me, bro. And he dragged my girlfriend. He put her on the floor. Cause that make his card. I just got off of work. Let me go,
Stop pulling
bro.
away.
Okay, let me. She can search me. Let me go. What is his problem with me? Why does he have to touch me? Okay, but can you tell me why does he have to touch me if she's searching me?
I'm gonna search you, but you gotta stop.
Let me go.
Turn around.
Face it for me.
Thank you.
Lean against the car for me, alright? Do you have anything on me that's gonna stick me?
Hey, nothing over
No?
there.
You have nothing on you?
Do better, bro. Go fight real crime.
Face the car for me.
Go fight real crime. Do better. Do better. I can't believe you guys just stopped me. I'll be at Boynton PD tomorrow. Got 8 fucking police officers at my house. Cause I put in at my house for a traffic stop. Then you wanna grab my girlfriend and bring her to the floor? For a traffic stop? Be fucking for real. Do better. Do better. Do better. All of y'all, do better. Go fight real crime.
Charlie Bravo, November 62.
Don't have any of
And
that.
62.
None of that. I don't want to talk. I don't feel comfortable.
I didn't get any of her information yet. I didn't get
don't
none of the
feel
information.
comfortable around you.
You're under arrest for obstruction, okay?
Obstruction
Because
of
you were way
what?
too close to my traffic stop. You walked to my traffic stop.
I was
told you to back
far
up.
enough, sir,
The phone
where
was
you could
close
take
to
2
me.
steps away from me.
You shouldn't have been that close to me.
I was far enough for that. So that means hit me.
Florida Statutes, Section 3, 16.236. A driver must stop the vehicle when a law enforcement officer activates blue lights. Exiting before the officer exits, his patrol car is not compliance. Florida Statutes, Section 843.02, resisting an officer without violence misdemeanor in the first degree. Up to 1 year in county jail. Florida Statutes, Section 843.06, refusing to give a lawful command during an investigation or traffic stop can constitute obstruction. The Bodycam records the command. The Bodycam records the refusal. The Miranda rights argument, she brought it up twice. Miranda applies when you are in custody and being interrogated. A traffic stop detention is not a custodial interrogation. That argument does not work here.
I'm doing a traffic stop. The young lady operating this motor vehicle ran a stop sign, okay? Doing a legal traffic stop. She just up the vehicle. She says, oh, why you stop me? Why you stop me? Why you stop me? I said, identification, license, registration, insurance. She did not want to provide license, registration. She said, tell me first. I said, hey, provide me your information. I'll tell you exactly why I stopped you.
That's her mom on the phone.
She refused to provide the information. Next time this lady comes up within this close to me, I said, ma'am, back up. Redirecting my attention from this young lady right here. She continued, the one with the white tank top. She continues to stay there and record in this close proximity, okay? The first one got arrested, and she's being under arrest too.
For what?
Obstruction.
Obstruction.
2324.
12? You got a tail coming?
Yeah. I'll call for the tow. I got a 0 right here.
Just signal 14. For units responding to Arthur Court, males advising the female is breaking a windshield with an object.
Okay. It's probably that one. That thing's open.
I'm not really sure. I didn't pull up the thing yet.
Probably LC29. 380. Probably this one.
Is it a brick or a bat or what? Car's being difficult, not responding.
I got her ID right here. Perfect.
Just grab that. Bring that with you.
Yeah. Me or competing? All right.
At the station,
I'll let you talk to your dad in a few, okay? Do you understand what happened?
Would I be able to have another police officer here with you, like explain it to me?
You said what?
Would I be able to have another police officer?
No, I'm the arresting officer. I was there.
But no one else could be around?
I got
No, you can explain it to me, no problem.
Listen, you want me to explain it?
Somebody else to
You
come
want me to explain it?
around.
Yes or no?
You can explain it, yes.
Okay.
But can somebody else come around because I don't feel safe.
Alright, that's fine. Well, I'm gonna listen. So, if an officer's on a traffic stop,
A loaded handgun in a backpack inside the trunk. That changes the entire frame of this encounter looking backward. Florida statutes. Section 7. 90.01 Carrying a concealed firearm without a license is a felony in the 3rd degree. The backpack was concealed and locked. The officer had no way to know the weapon was in that car. That is exactly why the refusal to produce a license at a traffic stop is treated as a threat to officer safety. Unknown identity. Unknown contents.
the officer do an investigation, you can't walk up on the officer. If you want to record, it's fine.
Yeah.
You do that from a distance,
Yeah.
not close proximity.
You remember when you went like that?
I'm sorry?
You remember when you went like that to me?
Like what?
You did this to me. Exactly when you went like that.
Okay.
I was far enough for you to go like that.
No, you
So I'm
still
asking
can't be-
how far can I be?
sidewalk,
Sidewalk?
not within that close proximity.
Okay, did not know that.
Well, now you do.
Did you guys let us know that? We
sorry?
should be on the sidewalk?
Well, I told you to step back. You're like, no, I can record. But listen,
But you didn't tell me to go to the sidewalk.
but listen, I got so much I'm dealing with. I deal with her, and I'm dealing with you.
That's fine.
Simply, you can record, it's fine, but it has to be from a safe distance.
Okay, no problem. If I was told to go to the sidewalk, I would have went to the sidewalk.
Well, I had so much going on with her, with you.
So what happens if someone hit me?
I'm sorry?
Will the police officer grab
Oh yeah,
me?
yeah. Yeah.
Officer
Because
can grab you for no reason?
I gave you a command to do it, a lawful command, and you refuse to comply with the lawful command. Therefore, I grabbed you. I grabbed you. I
You
told
didn't
you.
let me know to be on the sidewalk. You just told me to be back, and I was back.
No, you didn't. So
I'm
therefore,
back enough for you to go like this.
so therefore, since you were at that close proximity, right?
But
I
if
told you to
go
step
like
back, and
this,
you
how
didn't.
far am I?
And you're obstructing, therefore you're placing rest. But listen, I'll let you talk to your dad in a few, okay? Because he said he would talk to you. Just check to make sure it's what that is. Okay.
I also wanted to say I apologize. I was just upset and mad.
It's alright. Just realize that things can go bad. Like I told you, Dad, I understand that you want to know what's going on. You don't know what the hell is going on. You see your friend, you see your police, so you don't know what's going on. You wanna trying to find out what's going on. But like the other officer told you, that close, I don't know you. I don't know your intentions. I don't know what you're about. I don't know. All right, you see that your friend is going wild. I understand that you want to try to calm her down. You want to calm her down.
I'm her mother. What's going on?
Who's mother?
Whitney's
The
mother.
other person.
Oh, let me say hold on. So I understand that you want to calm her down and everything, but it's like I don't know who you are. I don't know what your intentions are.
Can y'all tell me what's going on? My child never been arrested before in her life. Can
Okay,
you just tell me
so
what's going on? I can't breathe
I
right
got
now.
you. You need medical assistance? Okay.
Officer grade B+. Legal stop. Proper escalation steps. Gave commands before physical contact. The use of force when she pulled away was within procedure. Explanation to the family was patient and honest. Suspect grade D-. The stop sign was a non-criminal infraction. Every charge she now faces came from what she did in the 4 minutes after those lights came on. Friend grade D. Showing up to record is legal. Refusing a direct lawful order to step back is not. She converted a legal right into an arrestable act in under 90 seconds. The gun charge reframes the entire encounter. What looked like an overreaction at minute 2 looks entirely different at minute 9 when that backpack comes out. Here is what changes everything: license, insurance, registration. That exchange takes 45 seconds. Everything after that is optional, including the handcuffs. The officer told the mother, watch the body cam footage. That is not deflection. That is the actual case. The footage is the evidence. And it runs in one direction. Demanding to know the reason before showing your license is a move that sounds reasonable and costs you everything. The law does not require the officer to explain first. If this breakdown helps, subscribe.
So I did a traffic stop on her, right? Immediately as I stopped the car, you guys take care. Immediately as I stopped the car, she jumps out the car, right? And then she's like, "Why are you behind me for?" I'm like, "My lights are on. This is a traffic stop." Okay. I asked for her information. She said, "Tell me why you stopped me." I said, "Ma'am, give me your license first. Give me your information. I don't know who you are." She's not willing to give her information. The next you know, this is her girlfriend or friend. Her girlfriend or friend. Well, me and her still talking and everything. And then her girlfriend or friend pulls up, got the cameras out and everything. Due to her not providing me her name, due to me not know what's going on, I go to detain her while I went to detain her. She's like pulling away, doing this and that. The next, you know, her friend is there. Her friend gets arrested too, and then
telling me why my babies got arrested. You not telling me.
I just told you.
No, for what? What is her charge?
Hold on. I gave you the whole story, but you gonna know the charge is resisting arrest.
Okay. What does that mean for my child?
She'll be out soon.
Is she going to gun club?
She went to gun club.
Oh my God.
Ma'am.
Why you took it that far? I know you. You're like the nicest cop I ever
Well,
knew.
listen, and then once you watch the body worn camera footage, ma'am, then you can see exactly why.
Oh my God, I just don't get it. She could have went so much better than what it was. She was already somewhere.
Well, listen, so
she was already somewhere.
No,
she was in front of her people's house.
Exactly. The car just stopped there, but I already initiated a traffic stop.
I get it, but what I'm saying, like, you could have just killed it right there.
No, but then it's how she made it. She was like,
she said she didn't have a reason to be pulled over. What was the reason?
Exactly.
Stop?
She did not know that, and I was prepared to tell her.
What was the traffic stop?
Stop sign. That's it. Exactly.
It's just home, bro.
No, but she was driving. It wasn't like I just randomly pulled up behind her. She was driving.
She said a stop sign.